Hi, everyone. My name is Coco Tanaka-Suwan, and I am the orchestra director here at Purchase. It's wonderful to have you all here today, and students have really done an excellent job of acclimating to the new school year. It's been so amazing to begin in-person instruction and to meet new fourth grade musicians and see fifth grade musicians. I really just look forward to an amazing school year filled with music making fun. So a little bit about me. I grew up in Greenwich, Connecticut and began playing the violin at the age of 4. I earned my bachelor's degree in violin performance from the New England Conservatory of Music with a concentration in music education. I also received my master's and doctorate degrees in violin performance from Rutgers University and completed a second master's in music education from Teachers College, Columbia University. I have taught in the Bronx for a very long time, and I love teaching in Harrison, such an amazing place. And I've performed internationally at various concerts. I have 2 daughters. And one fun fact is I was a member of the national badminton team. Okay, so we're going to dive into the orchestra curriculum. So the curriculum really focuses on building strong fundamentals within the art of learning how to play various string instruments. So I teach the violin, viola, cello, and double bass. And I really focus on giving students the tools to express themselves through their instrumental music making. So a lot of the lessons will be focused on building a strong foundation in terms of their instrument posture and position, strengthening their oral skills through singing, internalizing complex rhythms. These are all the building blocks to building skills and gaining skills for their music fluency. And students will be able to play in various ensemble sizes. And I love emphasizing to students that in terms of performance etiquette, that half of being an amazing performer is being a great audience member. Within lessons, there are elements of music theory and history infused. And the repertoire that I introduce is really an array of classical, modern, multicultural music. I work really closely with the Purchase Music team, as well as the Harrison Music Department as a whole, and also the orchestra directors at LMK and the high school, so that there's that vertical alignment and students will have that opportunity to perform and create and really become lifelong music lovers and learners. Here are some pictures of my orchestra classroom. I love keeping it bright and colorful, and there's lots of space so students have really a platform, an area where they can be creative and make music with their friends. Here are some pictures of current and previous Purchase Orchestra students, and I just love seeing their joyous smiles. There's various concert pictures here, and I think students really just enjoy making music with their friends. Okay, so orchestra lessons will basically take place once every 6-day cycle, and the lesson times will rotate. So that means that a student may have a lesson on a B day at 9:05, then the following week they will still have a lesson on a B day, but the lesson may be at 9:50. I will distribute schedules about every month. I'll also email them to you. Students will have access to an orchestra Google Classroom, and I'll also send informational emails. And students will have the opportunity to have practice tools. So I will send instructional videos and send music home so that they can practice in between lessons. And I've also distributed orchestra binders, and students can come in anytime if they need their instrument tuned. I remind them to really take care of their instruments, so not to leave them in the car or next to the heater or AC, because those extreme temperatures can affect the instrument. I also share with my students that I have a violin that is 103 years old, and they always say, "What, Dr. Tanaka-Suwan, you're not 103 years old or older." And I said, "No, it's an antique. It was passed on, but just to emphasize that taking care of your instrument, then your instrument can really last a long time." I also implement an orchestra karate system so that students can work towards various musical goals. And it would be wonderful to collaborate if you could really encourage your child to practice every day so that they can internalize those musical concepts and techniques, because we all know that practice makes perfect. I'm always here if you or your child has any questions, and really look forward to our partnership, and thank you for your support. So I look forward to an amazing school year filled with music making fun. Have a wonderful day.